So the energy to income ratio is what I look at to analyze how much stress or energy am I going to have to expend to get whatever that return is. So you're taking, it's a theoretical thing, right? This isn't like a hard pressed x divided by y equals z. This is, think of like extreme couponers, right? That's a great example. Extreme couponers can get a lot of money back by using their stupid coupons. And I say stupid, I mean good on you for being frugal and saving money. But for me, there's no way that it is ever worth the amount of effort and time that those people put into all these crazy coupons. Like, you spend hours going through scrapbooks and cataloging stuff and doing all this stuff, and stressing, and then sitting at the register pulling out a million coupons and dealing with all the people who are frustrated behind you just trying to check out to save, I don't know, 20, 30, 40 bucks, maybe 100 bucks, right? Like, you can make money, but to me it's like, we spend time focusing on dollars per hour, and I earned $100 an hour on a coaching call, or $1,000 an hour doing this, but we're okay spending like an hour to do 40 minutes worth of couponing that's not even fun. I mean, if you get something out of that, I guess okay, but this is the same reason I won't ever use, or I don't use the like using a home equity line of credit to pay off a mortgage really fast, because yes, it works, but you have to do everything so meticulously. You have to watch this, you have to watch that, you have to do this, you have to do that. Like, works, but at what cost? It takes a lot of energy to maintain that. And it's kind of like some of those other strategies where, like, if you don't do this right, you might lose this or whatever. So I try to run things through that as I progress, right? The more income I make, the more I'm worried about, okay, great, I can make a good return, but how much is that going to stress me out? Or how much is that going to be a toxic relationship? Or, you know, like earning 100% return on investment to deal with somebody that I don't like is not going to be as worth it to me as earning a 50% return on investment to hang out with a friend who I enjoy hanging out with. And so I just wanted to touch base with you guys and remind you, it's not always just about the return, it's not always just about the money, but think through how much work you're going to have to put in, how much stress you're going to have to put in. Is the return worth your time and your energy? You know, if you can outsource it, great, but I just wanted to touch base with you guys on that real quick because nobody seems to talk about this energy to income ratio. I'm pretty sure I just coined that phrase, and it's been big for me, like realizing how to earn money and still enjoy life. Like, that's a balance. And it's not an easy balance, but it's an important balance. And I hope that you can remember your energy and your time is more important than the money you're going to get. So stay balanced.